Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Teacher Fayyazuddin Ahmed here. Very good morning to all of you. Hope you're doing fine. Today we are going to learn about the irregular verbs, and it is the page number 71 in your grammar practice reproducibles. The topic for today is irregular verbs. Can you please open the page number 71 of your grammar practice reproducibles book? Page number 71. Irregular verbs. An irregular verb is a verb that does not add ed to form the past tense. Some irregular verbs include the following. We have seen the regular verbs which often end with ed when they are changed to past tense. A verb, when it's changed to past tense, ends in ed if it is a regular verb, and if it is an irregular verb, the past tense of the irregular verb, it does not add ed to it. The past tense of irregular verb does not end with ed, and whereas the regular verbs, they often end with ed. Like talk, talked. Talk is a regular verb, and you will add ed if you want to make it as a past tense. So talk, talk, will end with ed as it is a regular verb. But here we are dealing with irregular verbs. So the irregular verbs, they do not end with ed. If the irregular verbs are changed to past tense. So an irregular verb is a verb that does not add ed to form the past tense. Some irregular verbs include begin, began, bring, brought, catch, caught, choose, chose, do, did, drink, drank, eat, ate, fall, fell, fight, fought, get, got, go, went. These are the past tense of these irregular verbs. Keep, kept, know, knew, leave, left, make, made, read, read, run, ran, say, said, speak, spoke, think, thought, win, won, write, wrote. So these are all the past tense of irregular verbs. We can observe that no single past tense ends with ed. So these are the irregular verbs with their past tenses. So let us go to our exercise on page number 71 today. Read each sentence. Write the correct past tense form of the verb in parentheses on the line provided. Read each sentence. Write the correct past tense form of the verb in parentheses on the line provided. We just need to convert this verb into past tense. We just need to change the tense of the verbs in parentheses. Let us go to number 1. The game begin with our team at bat. The game begin with our team at bat. Begin is an irregular verb. The past tense of begin is began. So we need to change the word begin to began, and the sentence would be the game began with our team at bat. So in the blank, you have to change this irregular verb to past tense, and that is began. Number next, the player in left field keep his eye on the ball. There is an irregular verb keep here in the parentheses. Just we need to change it to past tense. The irregular verb keep will become kept if it is changed to past tense. So keep will be kept. The player in left field kept his eye on the ball. The player in left field kept his eye on the ball. Then the answer is kept. Next, he catch the line drive near second base. He catch the line drive near second base. The catch is an irregular verb, and the past tense of it would be caught. He caught the line drive near second base. The answer is caught. Next, the next batter think he could hit a home run. The next batter think he could hit a home run. Think is an irregular verb. The past tense of that think would be thought. The next batter thought he could hit a home run. The next batter thought he could hit a home run. So answer is thought. Number next, He do get a hit, but it fell short of the wall. He do get a hit, but it fell short of the wall. Do is an irregular verb here. The past tense of do is did. So the answer would be did. He did get a hit, but it fell short of the wall. The answer is did. Next, the player run to first base and stayed there. The player run to first base and stayed there. The past tense of run is ran. The player ran to first base and stayed there. Answer is ran. After the next hit, he go to second base. After the next hit, he go to second base. The past tense of go would be went. The past tense of go is went. So the answer is after the next hit, he went to second base. The answer is went. Similarly, next, our team scored 6 runs and win the game. Our team scored 6 runs and win the game. The verb in parentheses is win. We need to change it to past tense. So the past tense of win is won. So the sentence reads, our team scored 6 runs and won the game. Answer is won. Next, I met my favorite player before we leave. I met my favorite player before we leave. The word here in the parentheses, the irregular verb is leave. Then the past tense of leave is left. The sentence is, I met my favorite player before we left. Answer is left. Next, he write his name on one of the game programs. He write his name on one of the game programs. The verb in the parentheses is write. It's an irregular verb. So the past tense of write is wrote. He wrote his name on one of the game programs. The answer would be wrote. Hope you understood this past tense of irregular verbs. The homework for you is please complete the page number 71 from your grammar practice reproducibles. Complete the page number 71 of your grammar practice reproducibles. Thank you. Have a nice time.